2023 Genesis Electrified GV70, a paradigm shift in luxury SUVs. The automotive landscape is witnessing an electrifying evolution, and the 2023 Genesis Electrified GV70 is at the forefront of this groundbreaking transformation. This visionary SUV, already renowned for its striking aesthetics and luxurious comfort, has now embraced the allure of electric power, marking a pivotal moment in the journey towards sustainable luxury. A seamless transition, Genesis' debut into the electric realm comes in the form of the Electrified GV70, a masterstroke that seamlessly integrates battery power into the SUV's DNA, while sharing its platform with its internal combustion engine counterparts. The Electrified GV70 is far from a mere replication. It exudes innovation, harnessing the synergy of electric propulsion to augment its already formidable character, unveiling the power of electrification. The defining trait of the Electrified GV70 is its all-electric heart, a testament to Genesis' commitment to driving the future of mobility. This SUV breaks free from the confines of traditional gasoline engines, presenting a progressive alternative that ignites the senses. Despite sharing its platform with its internal combustion siblings, the Electrified GV70 orchestrates a symphony of power and poise that's uniquely electric. A glimpse into the drive, while the journey is captivating. The Electrified GV70 does come with considerations. Its range of 236 miles, while respectable, positions it within the lower echelon of its segment. However, it's important to note that this SUV embodies the initial steps of a revolution, where range will undoubtedly extend with future advancements, a weighty transformation. The integration of a battery pack bestows the Electrified GV70 with an added heft. This transformation, while subtle, slightly influences the driving experience and ride quality. Yet, it's imperative to emphasize the minimal impact of this weight, as Genesis engineering prowess ensures that the SUV retains its inherent grace and athleticism. A glimpse into tomorrow, in a world where progress is fueled by innovation. The 2023 Genesis Electrified GV70 stands as a testament to the limitless potential of electric mobility. It signifies a shift towards a sustainable future without compromising on luxury, style, or performance. While the journey may have just begun, the impact of the Electrified GV70 reverberates as a promise of remarkable things to come. As the automotive industry ushers in a new era, the Electrified GV70 heralds a future where electrification and opulence harmonize seamlessly. Genesis' audacious step towards an electric horizon is a testament to their unwavering commitment to shaping a world where beauty, power, and sustainability converge.